and welcome to the Rohit Sharma podcast. I am your host, Rohit Sharma. Today's question is real estate crashing? Let's figure out what's happening in the greater Vancouver and Fraser Valley market. There are three phases we need to understand better: market correction, market downturn, and market crash. First, we will understand these three phases, and then we will see what's actually happening in the real estate market. What is market correction? Market correction is a drop in 5 to 10% of the sale price due to the overheated market, and this does not last for a long time, maybe from few months to a year. Buyers are cautious and sellers are taking time to align with the correction of the price. This is just a natural adjustment and has nothing to do with the crash. Market downturn: a drop of 10 to 20% in the sales price due to the uncertain economic conditions or the high interest rates. Real estate sales dropped significantly for a longer period of time. Sales dropped significantly, but there is no sign of financial crisis or panic in selling. Market crash: a sudden drop of 20 to 40% of the sales price due to financial crisis, mass mortgage defaults, investors panic, homeowners are forced to sell, banks tighten credit, and it takes long time to recover. Now let's start with some hard facts and hard data up to March 15th, 2025. We will look at the data and see how much price drop has happened from the peak of February 2022 and up to February 2025. In Greater Vancouver, median sales price has dropped for detached home by 9%, for townhome by 4%, and for condos 4%. Whereas for Fraser Valley market, detached home has dropped median price by 20%, townhome by 15%, and condos by 9%. Now let's see how sales figure have dropped from peak of 2021 to February 2025. In Greater Vancouver, detached home sales is dropped by 47%, townhome sales dropped by 40%, and condo sales dropped by 38%. Whereas in Fraser Valley, sales dropped for detached home by 55%, for townhome by 45%, and for condo by 39%. There's another factor which is not very good for the real estate market, that is rise in the active listings in February 2025. I have discussed in my last episode what impact it's going to have on the real estate market. There is only factor which is positive for the real estate market, that is Bank of Canada is reducing rate aggressively and is being expected to reduce further. If we look at the data and compare it with the three phases we learned, we can clearly see that Vancouver market, though sales have dropped significantly over period of time, but the prices have not dropped that significantly. So if the current situation persists, sales keeps dropping, very soon Vancouver real estate market will be in a market downturn state. Whereas in Fraser Valley market, prices have dropped close to 20%. Sales have dropped close to 50%, as we have discussed earlier. So this market is already in the market downturn. If low sales persist, as we have high active listings, there are chances that it may go into crash. The only factor which can keep this market from crashing is Bank of Canada's aggressive interest rate reduction policy. Therefore, the bottom line is market crash is not happening at this moment, but certainly both Vancouver and Fraser Valley real estate markets are in a market downturn with a record low sales number. That is it for today. Stay safe, stay informed, make informed decisions, and talk to you soon.